Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones turning your dream home into a digital desert? Today, we're conquering those frustrating Wi-Fi woes by setting up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender so you can finally enjoy seamless connectivity in every corner of your house. First things first, compatibility. This guide is tailored for Verizon routers, so if you have a different provider, the process might vary. Locate the WPS button on the back of your Verizon router. It's usually a small, recessed button labeled WPS. Now, plug your Verizon Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet, ideally halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi signal. Don't plug it in too close to the router to start. Wait for the extender's light to start blinking amber or orange. This indicates that it's ready to pair. This might take a couple of minutes. Once the light is blinking, press the WPS button on your Verizon router. You usually only need to press it briefly. 1 to 2 seconds is often enough. Immediately after pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the extender, again for just a second or two. Now, patience is key. The extender will attempt to connect to your router. This process can take up to 5 minutes. Watch for the light on the extender to turn solid blue or green. This indicates a successful connection. Once paired, unplug the extender and move it to its final location, that dead zone area. Plug it back in and give it a few minutes to reconnect. The light should remain solid blue or green. If it turns red, it's too far from the router. And that's it. You've successfully paired your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. Enjoy your enhanced Wi-Fi coverage. If you still have issues, check out the Verizon support website or consider moving the extender slightly closer to the router.